Welcome to episode number 198. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta here. Hope you are doing great in your life and welcome back to another episode of Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. Today, I'm going to share with you a wonderful story about decisions, about the life, about how it's been going to be a powerful tool and everything about mindful. So before diving into the episode, if you are new to this channel is all about helping you to reach your highest goal and to be the best version of yourself. Be happy and be grateful in your life. And my mission to this podcast channel is #remove your label, that any kind of label which people have put it on you or you yourself have put, just remove it off. Let's dive into today's episode and let's see what is here for you all. There was a lady whose husband has gone to fight a war. After the battle was over, her husband returned home safe but remained noticeably quiet all the time. She was worried and confused about the change in his behavior. She did try to cheer him up many times, but he ignored. The wife was upset. Someone told her to go to a Gurudev, and who was renowned for giving solution to all kind of problems. When she reached to Gurudev's place, she told him everything about her husband change in the behavior. She also said that she was ready to do anything to get him to behave normal. She wanted Gurudev to give her something that will make her husband just like he was before he had left for the battle. Gurudev told her that it is impossible for her to do the task needed as being a woman. She should not be able to carry it out. She insisted that however difficult it may, she would not give up. Gurudev replied, "Okay, I can help you only on a condition that you get me a lion's hair. With the help of that hair, I will able to give you something that will make your husband's behavior normal again." She left and went to the jungle. In her first attempt, she heard the lion roar and she ran away. In the second attempt, she tried to get some meat for lion but was scared to face him. On the third time, she went to the lion and she was able to see him. The fourth time, lion had understood that someone was visiting every day to feed him. The fifth time, she went and she saw the lion coming towards to her. She herself gave him the meat and the lion ate it in front of her. It was the sixth attempt, when she was able to get close to the lion, that she could take a strange of his ear. The lion did not react because she was getting him food every day. It was like a friendly gesture that they shared. The lady took the hair and went straight to give to the Gurudev. He was pleased with her work. He took the hair and put it in the holy fire that was burning there. The lady lost her cool and started shouting at him because she had got through immense pressure, stress, fear to prepare herself to face the lion. "I got this as per your instruction to resolve my problem, and you just burned it in this fire? But doing this, you proved that my efforts and hard work for my husband meant nothing to me," she screamed. Gurudev told her that it was you who decided that something was wrong in your relationship and came here for help. Again, it was you who decided to go to the jungle and find the lion. It was you who decided to be a friend with lion and planned to get it hair from that. It was you only. If you would decided to do such a big thing in life, then Why can you not fix your relationship and work on it yourself? If you are determined to get back your husband's love, then I am sure that you will be able to find a way to the solution of your problem by yourself. You were able to be friend with the lion because you wanted a solution from me, but you never realized that all this while I was not helping you to get it. It was your mind who was getting your solutions and you were just implementing them. You can achieve everything you want if you decide to do it in your life, and your mind is immensely powerful tool that can help you to get everything that you want in your life. What we learned from the story is that our mind can help us to solve many things only if we decide to do something about our problem. A very beautiful story, right? This is how we also react, but let's react in a very proper way so that we can get the best out of ourselves. Hope you loved this episode today. Being Sunday, do share with this episode with your family and friends and enjoy today's day by caring yourself, by loving yourself, by having a me time and with lot of love. Till then, take care, bye bye and have a wonderful Sunday. Thank you.